Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we are going to continue with the fourth unit of microcontroller and application, that is 8051 memory and input-output device interfacing. First, we will study the interfacing of LED with 8051 microcontroller. LED is a light emitting diode used in many electronic devices, mostly used for signal transmission, power indication purpose. It is very cheap in price and easily available in variety of shape, color and sizes. The LEDs are also used for design, message display board and traffic control signals, light, etc. LED has two terminal, positive and negative. Positive terminal is anode terminal of LED and negative terminal is cathode terminal of LED as shown in figure. Now in this figure you can see this is the diagram of LED. It has a two terminals, anode and cathode. Anode is a positive terminal, cathode is a negative terminal. This is a symbol of LED as it is a light emitting diode. So this two arrow indicates that it will emit the light. Now there are two ways which we can interface LED with the 8051 microcontroller, but the connection and the programming techniques will be different. Now this is the interfacing diagram of 8051 microcontroller with LED. Now here it is a LED D1 LED. It is connected to the P1.0 of 8051 microcontroller. Now this is the crystal connection X1, XTL1 and XTL2. This is a reset. EA bar plus 5 volt is applied to the 8051 microcontroller. VCC plus 5 volt. Then grounded. Then here you can see that LED interface with two ways. There are two ways. First is when anode is connected to the port pin, particular port pin of 8051 microcontroller, then cathode of the LED should be grounded. When the cathode is connected to the particular pin, port pin of 8051 microcontroller, then the anode of the LED should be connected to the VCC. So there are two ways for connection of LED with 8051 microcontroller. Now this is the assembly language program to make LED on and off with some delay. So first, while writing a program, the accumulator content should be 0, 1 as LED is connected to port 1.0 pin. So move P1, A, whatever content in accumulator register should be moved into the P1 port. So here your LED makes on, then you have to make on LED for some time. So here you have to call delay. Then again to make off LED, you should put the value of 00H to accumulator, then accumulator value to P1 port. Here your LED should be off. So LED off for some delay for some time. So here a call delay. And here ASM again label is over here. So if you want to continue to make LED on and off, then you will continue this program, repeat this program. Then delay program, here delay program is for to wait for the some time. Now next, draw the interfacing diagram of 8 LED to port 2 of 8051 microcontroller and write a program to turn these LEDs on and off after a certain delay. Now here in this diagram, all port, that is port 2 is used, P2.0 and P2.7. All port pin, the LED is connected to all this port pin. So 8 LED is connected to port 2. Now here the program to make all the LEDs on and off. So here first we will put the value of value of highest value, that is FF value to accumulator. Then all bits of accumulator should be 1, that is accumulator value. Then move to the P2 port. Here all the LEDs will glow, that means all the LEDs will on, then A called delay, on the LEDs for some time, then complement A. Here while complement A, the value of A is equal to 00H. That means it will off all the LEDs. So if you want to repeat the process, then the label should be written over here. Now next program is Sketch 8051 interfacing diagram to interface 4 LEDs and 4 switches. Interface switches to port 0 and LED to port 1 upper level. Develop an assembly language program to read status of switches and operate the LEDs as per switch status. So here switches are connected to port 0 upper nibble, that is P0.4, P0.5, P0.6 and P0.7. Here 4 switches are connected, and port 1 upper nibble P1.4, P1.5, 6 and 7, the LEDs are connected. Now this is a program to check to read the status of switch and operate the LED as per switch status. Now next is a 7-segment display. Now here it is a diagram for 7-segment display. The 7-segment LED display is mostly used in many industrial applications, and it can display digits from 0 to 9, a few characters like A, B, C, D, E, F, etc. A 7-segment display consists of 7 LEDs arranged in the form of squarish A, slightly inclined to the right, and a single LED as a dot character. Different characters can be displayed by selectively glowing the required LED segments. So 7-segment display can be interfaced with 8051 microcontroller. Now the common digit patterns for 0 to 9 of 7-segment display are shown in table given below. Now here this is the common anode pattern and this is the common cathode pattern. So here the values of A, B, C, D, E, F, G LEDs and DP LED to make the number from 0 to 9. This is the combination. This is the hex code for the combination, and this is for common cathode and this is for common anode. Now here interfacing of 7-segment display with 8051. Here the 7-segment display can be connected. Type of 7-segment display is common cathode type, is connected to the P1 of the, that is port 1 of the 8051 microcontroller. So the connection diagram is like this. Now here the diagram it is a program to display the 0 to 9 numbers. So here first for displaying 0 to 9 number, first 0 number should be moved into the R1 register, then 09 number moved to the R7 register, then R1 value should be moved to P1 register as your 7-segment is connected to port 1. So the port 1 value should be 00, then increment R1, that is increment value of 00 to 01, and then call delay. Then R7 is for counter, so decrement the counter 1 by 1, and if it is not 0 then continue the process. So here the value of R1 should be 1, 2, 3 like that up to when the counter should be 0, should not be 0. Once the counter will be 0, then you have to stop the process. This is the delay program. Now next LCD, interfacing of 16:2 LCD display with 8051 microcontroller. So this is the interfacing diagram. Here the LCD is connected to P1.0 to P1.7, that is port 1 and port 3 is used. This is the 16:2 LCD model. It is interfaced with 8051 microcontroller. Now function of EN and RS pin of the LCD. RS is the register select pin. We need to set it to 1 if we are sending some data to be displayed on LCD, and we will set it to 0 if we are sending some command instructions during the initializing sequence. like clear the screen, etc. EN, it is a enable pin. It is used by the LCD to latch information presented to its data pins. When data is supplied to the data pins, then a high to low pulse must be applied to this pin in order for the LCD to latch in the data present at the data pins. This pulse must be minimum of 450 nanosecond wide. So this is the function of AN and RS pin of the LCD. Thank you.